present here. My fellow classmates, from the old building to the new building, prop makers to actually participating in festivals, from McLuhan to Chomsky, translation skills to Indian regional journalism, noodle frankly to special dosa interspersed with the inflation in the price of Szechuan, from local trains to Ola and Uber, Pokemon on TV to now Pokemon Go, and finally, from orientation to graduation, we have come a long way. First of all, on behalf of my fellow graduates and myself, I would like to thank the people that have brought us here today. Vara ma'am, we thank you for being the constant in our lives while we were surrounded by variables on all fronts. From being the light at the end of our tunnels to being the gravitational force that kept us grounded, you have played multiple roles in these 3 years. We will never be able to thank you enough for everything that you have always done for us. We would like to extend our gratitude to our principal for always sharing his wisdom with us. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all our academic professors for having worked relentlessly to ensure that we graduate as a bunch of well-informed citizens. We wouldn't be here today had it not been for the efforts of the non-teaching staff. While Mary ma'am and Mala ma'am sifted through the paper towers, Bahadur, Satya and Bhushan always had our back. Finally, I would like to thank our parents for their unconditional love and support and also apologize to them for all the family outings that were cancelled because of last-minute assignments. When I think of the 3 years that we spent in college, multiple memories come to mind. Yes, this is our last shot at redemption. After IST, let me familiarize you with an abbreviation that was coined by the class of 2016. Do you remember when the entire class set an alarm for 4:20 and shamelessly convinced the teacher that it's standard break time? That's what we did. I am sure that none of us will ever be able to forget Amantika's pre-lecture entertainment and the applause in unison when Rahul entered the class 40 minutes late. That's of course before the Bichu gang also joined in on this game. The qualities of our class reps over the 3 years, Steph's efficiency, Jay's diplomacy, Priyanka's sincerity, and Netik's negotiation pretty much sums up the diversity in our batch. Adding to that, I can't miss out on Kavan's charm, Zaini Sahil, Dusha's red face, and Akriti's fainting. Who knew that our batch would have its very own kitty party? It's just called Lokhandwala Plus 3. Send in your application soon, terms and conditions apply. Like every important institution, we too had a lost and found department. We are happy to announce that all the blacklisters have been found at the end of 3 years. One thing we never found was Hemu's brain after he decided to jump off the flight of stairs. 3 years of hard work, fun, tears and sweat have finally culminated into this day. As we stand here ready to graduate, we are excited and nervous in equal measure. As we embark on a journey ahead of us, there are just a couple of things that I would like to tell my classmates. We live in a society where paradoxes and oxymora have become the norm. We are conditionally happy, partially satisfied, and infamously famous. Material wealth does not always mean richness of thought. We have cash, but no crops. Greater access to technology, but lesser access to emotions. Freedom of speech and expression, but caught in the clutches of filters and vigilantes. We fight for empowerment beyond equality. That's the harsh truth and reality. What advice I would leave the class with is, choose a path and make it your own. One of my favorite quotes are, today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you. You should be solely responsible for whatever you do. There will be spectators and commentators, but then again, it's actually you who is playing on the field. Dream, set a goal, go out and translate it into reality. There is nothing that you can't achieve. Remember that the universe is on your side. Be your own hero because Marvel may need you someday. In conclusion, I would like to say, I don't want to be categorized. I want to be the category. And I want to be unstoppable. Thank you.